mortal hands, the Cosmohead clan. Two hearts as one, a celestial flame. Chris and Taylor, their destinies entwine. The birth of Craylor.
In the quiet of night, beneath endless skies, two rings of power in their mortal hands lie. Chris felt the pull, Taylor saw the spark. Together they stepped into the unknown dark. The rings ignited, reality bends. Bound by love, their journey transcends. Minds collide, their souls entwine. Craylor awakens, a force beyond time. Cosmos ignite, a beacon of wisdom, a guardian of light. From the depths of love, a god takes its place, transcending all through time and space. Planets aligned if Craylor took flight. Galaxies bowed to the radiant might. Stars whispered songs in their endless grace. Craylor reshaped the fabric of space. From the dying worlds to the newborn suns, balance restored, their mission begun. They spread their light to the edge of the void. A cosmic harmony no force could avoid. Cosmos ignite, a beacon of wisdom, a guardian of light. From the depths of love, a god takes its place, transcending all through time and space.
Love eternal, forged in fire. Transcending flesh, reaching higher. A single thought, an infinite dream. Reality bends to Craylor's pain.
Through nebulae, they weave their lore, building realms forevermore. Their duty done, their essence grows to the galactic core. They repose. Craylor ascends, the cosmos ignite, a beacon of wisdom, a guardian of light. From the depths of love, a god takes its place, transcending all through time and space.
Set everywhere, watching the stars, forever they care.